Today I'll be making a ratatouille, and it's super easy to make. It's a bit long, but it's worth it, and I hope you guys try it. First we add the oil and then the oil. Saute for 5 minutes. And then we're going to add the tomato sauce. Next I added the chopped tomato and the red and yellow pepper. And I'm adding homemade tomato sauce. And we're going to let it cook for 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so. Adding some garlic. And let it cook. And now we're going to prepare the veggies for the ratatouille. So the ratatouille sauce is ready. So put this aside and then we're going to add everything together. So now I'm adding a little bit of thyme, pepper and salt. I just sauteed the veggies, the bell peppers for like 10 minutes. And we're going to continue with the other veggies. So right now I'm sauteing the zucchini. I cut them into fine slices. Do so for like 10-15 minutes. So the zucchini are done. So now I'm sauteing the eggplant. I marinated them with salt, pepper, and thyme. And the eggplants are ready. So now I'm sauteing the tomatoes. So they have the skin. Oil, salt, a little bit of pepper, and thyme. So now I'm sauteing the tomatoes. I added salt, pepper, and oil, and a little bit of thyme. And now I'm just gonna wait for them to saute, and then done.